Hi guys, Godrej has come up with this new car perfume. So let's see its review. This 7.5 gram air freshener comes with MRP of Rs 99, but on Amazon you can grab it for even better price of just 89 rupees. The product is available in 3 different fragrances, one for every mood. And pack says it lasts up to 30 days. We are going to check that out. So how to use? First of all, remove the membrane from the slot and then peel off this silver foil. And this one is pretty thin sheet, so be careful here. Now place the membrane back to the slot and you are good to hang this in the mirror. And it has this cool aqua fragrance. So if you like the coral fragrances, this one is for you. And every time whenever you enter in the car, there is a fresh cool aqua fragrance which is not too overpowering that give you a headache, but noticeable enough to keep the car interiors fresh. Person sitting at the rear will also feel the freshness. And the fragrance stays around 20 days. However, after 20 days, the fragrance become mild and rare, but still delightful. So the pack said that it lasts up to 30 days. I'm gonna show you. So on the very first day, when I installed, after 10 days of usage, now after 20 days, and after 30 days. So the pack says that it has the end of life indicator. It has not reached there yet and the fragrance is gone, maybe because it's more than 30 days. So overall it's a fantastic product, and if you want to experience the nice fragrance of coral aqua that linger in your car, you should give this a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.